Now question number 6 first is minus 1 by 27 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. Now 27 is there, so we have to do the prime factorization of it. So 27, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. So what we found, 3's cube. But before we write it as 3's cube, what we'll do, since here the power is negative, so to make it positive we'll just do the reciprocal of the base. We'll write it as minus 27 by 1 whole to the power 2 by 3. Why? Because the law of exponent is there. A to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a whole to the power m. Now minus 27 can be written as minus 3's cube and whole to the power 2 by 3. Now there is a law again, a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So what can we do? We can just multiply the powers. So minus 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. Now this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. So it will come minus 3 square, and minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3, that equals to 9. Now the another question is 64 to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by 9 to the power minus 3 by 2. And we'll do the prime factorization of 64. So 232 times, then 216 times. In that way we found 2 is coming for 6 times. But since here the power is, the base is 3 here, so that is why we'll try to pair up in 3. So here as you can see, 3 pairs we have made, and in each pair 2 2s are 4 is coming. So now 64 to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by 9 to the power minus 3 by 2 is there. So 64, as we found, it's 4 cube. So 4 cube to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by 9 means it's 3 square. So it's 3 square whole to the power minus 3 by 2. Now again we'll apply the same law of exponent. A to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. Now what we'll do, we'll just multiply the powers. So 4 to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3 divided by 3 into 3 whole to the power 2 into minus 3 by 2. Now this 2 and 2 will be cancelled, and this 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So what we will get, 4 to the power minus 2 and 3 to the power minus 3. Now what will we do? We'll make the power negative to positive. So what we have to do? We just have to make the reciprocal of it. Why? Because there is a law 1 by 4, there is a law a to the power minus m equals to 1 by a whole to the power m. To make the power negative to positive, we just have to reciprocal the base. So that only we'll do. So earlier the question was 4 to the power minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. So that is why we'll do 1 by 4 whole square divided by 1 by 3 whole cube. Now 1 by 4 square means it's 1 square is 1 and 4 square is 16 divided by 1 cube is 1 and 3's cube is 27. 3's cube means 3 into 3 into 3. So in that way 27 is coming. Now 1 by 16, make the reciprocal. So it will be converted to into 1 by 16 into 27. So answer is 27 by 16, which is an improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. So we'll get 1 whole 11 by 16. Now the next question is 27 to the power 2n by 3 into 8 to the power minus n by 6 by 18 to the power minus n by 2. Now we'll do the prime factorization of each, 27, 8 and 18. So 27 will find 3's cube, 8 will find 2's cube, and 18 will do find 2 into 3 into 3. So accordingly we will put the values. 27 means 3's cube to the power 2n by 3. 8 means 2's cube to the power n minus 6. And 18 means 2 into 3 square to the power minus n by 2. Again the same law of exponent will be used here. A to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So now what we will find here? We'll see that 3 to the power 3 into 2n by 3 into 2 to the power 3 into minus n by 6 divided by 2 to the power minus n by 2 into 3 to the power 2 into minus n by 2. Why? Because when the power is AB whole to the power m, that means two different numbers are here. So AB whole to the power m means a to the power m into b to the power m. That is why here 2 is also to the power n by 2 and 3 to the power 2 into minus n by 2. Now this 3 and 3 will be cancelled, so we'll get it here 3 to the power 2n. This 3 2s are 6 will be there, so we'll get 2 to the power minus n by 2. And here too there will be no cancellation, so 2 to the power n by 2 into, and here also 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so here we'll be getting 3 to the power minus n. So accordingly we'll be writing it. So after getting it, finally what we found here, this 2 to the power minus n by 2 and into 2 to the power minus n by 2 will be getting cancelled to each other. So what will be getting here? 3 to the power 2n by 3 to the power minus n, because this will be cancelled. Now this is to divide, so we can write it so by using the exponent law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. We can subtract the powers, so it will be a to the power m minus n. So now 3 to the power 2n minus, because in the formula minus is there, and then minus n is the here, so we will write like this. So what we will get? 2 to the power 2n plus n. So 2 to the, because minus m has a plus n, so now 3 to the power 2n plus n, that will be 3 to the power 3n.